Hello everyone, welcome to Toyeen Talks. How you doing? Thank you for watching. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.
Especially fún àwọn nǹkan tí majority ń pass through, especially fún ìròyìn tí gbogbo èèyàn gbọ́, ó dùn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀. Wọ́n bíbélì tí èmi kà ó ní kí n sọ fún ẹ ṣe bẹ̀rù. Orí kìíní ẹsẹ̀ kẹfà yẹn ó wá sọ̀rọ̀ kan síbi pé ṣe gírí mú àyà le. Àwọn tí a lè lórí èdè yẹn fún ni akọni tàbí pé àbó fẹ́ ní ìrẹ̀wẹ̀sì ọkàn, ó ní ṣe gírí kí o sì mú àyà rẹ le. Ẹ má ṣe jẹ́ kí nǹkan kan kó dààmú ọkàn wa. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n lọ tààrà sórí àwọn ohun tí mo ní lọ́kàn láti bá wa sọ lórí níùsì tá a gbọ́ pé a dá àwọn kan sílẹ̀. Jẹ́ ká gbà pé ìwádìí ń lọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó Mohbad. Gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n dárúkọ yìí kò sí ẹni tí ó bá gbélé ní àkókò yẹn. So tó bá gbọ́ pé a dá àwọn wọ̀nyí sílẹ̀ nípa ikú Mohbad, bákan ni ṣùgbọ́n à ń sọ nípa corona tí ìjọba Lagos State tí wọ́n gbé kalẹ̀ láti ṣe ìwádìí sí ikú tó pa Mohbad. Nínú àwọn èèyàn wọ̀nyí tí a dá sílẹ̀ yìí ni a ti fi ìwé pè tí wọn ò tí witness ní corona. Wọ́n wá ní àkókò tán ní kó wá, ṣùgbọ́n ní ọjọ́ yẹn àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹ̀ kò lè jẹ́ kí wọ́n give testimony tiwọn. A kì í lẹ́ni mímọ̀ sùn ká mú kíkan. Ẹni tí agbéṣẹ́ agbẹjọ́rò fún ó tó gbagbá sùn lọ́yẹ̀. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ti ṣe àwọn ohun tó yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe gẹ́gẹ́ bí agbẹjọ́rò. Ọ̀rọ̀ agbẹjọ́rò tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí yẹn ó máa jẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀ lórí agbẹjọ́rò mi ti tẹ́lẹ̀. Ní ìbá fi orí fóònù ni dọ́kúmẹ́ǹtì yẹn wà, but mo promise yín pé after this show màá post gbogbo lẹ́tà tí mo kọ sí agbẹjọ́rò mi, lẹ́tà tí mo kọ tí mo fi dá wọn dúró pé ó tó gẹ́ alùdùdú òǹdarin. Èsì tí wọ́n fún mi padà àti ohun tí mo fi dá wọn lóhùn. Èmi ń ṣe ìlérí fún yín pé lẹ́tà mẹ́fẹ̀ẹ̀fà yẹn èmi máa gbé jáde. Torí gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ Yorùbá mo gbìyànjú lórí pé kó má sí ìjà, kó má sí ìta. Lórí èmi àti agbẹjọ́rò mi tí mo gbìyànjú mọ̀ sí Odùmọ̀ṣù. Now bí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn wọ́n ṣe kọ lẹ́tà sí mi tí mo lè dá padà pé bí a ṣe lè settle ẹjọ́ ìpóhùn fún mi ní àkókò ìgbà díẹ̀ ká fi reconcile but ibi tẹ́mi bá ti ń lọ lèmi lọ once mo ti sọ pé mi ò gbéṣẹ́ fún ọmọ mi rí pé kò sí nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ronú sí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ agbẹjọ́rò Odùmọ̀ṣù so wọ́n ti gbìyànjú wọ́n ti dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí pé kí a jọ wà ní pẹ̀lẹ́kùtù ṣùgbọ́n ohun tó wà láàrin wa àwọn ò gbà èmi gangan bàbá Mohbad èmi ń dúró ní ìdúró mi wípé mi ò padà sẹ́yìn mọ́ mi ò lè jẹ wọ́n lówó so tó bá dẹ̀ rí tó nìkan míì tí wọ́n lè ṣe concerning me káfíń sẹ́gbẹ́ kan torí gbogbo ibi tí bàbá Sam bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn kò sí lọ tí mo lè ṣe ohun tó wà lọ́wọ́ mi mo fẹ́ yọ̀ǹda ẹ̀ fún wọn kó má sí ìjà ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo ohun tí mo ṣe pàbó ló bọ́ sí with this mi ò ní agbára míì tí mo lè sà lórí pé ọ̀rọ̀ owó so ìyẹn ti di àfisẹ́yìn tí eégún aláré ń fi aṣọ so ohun tó kàn mí kù nísìnyí pé láti tẹ̀síwájú tó bá dẹ̀ rò ó on their own ohun táwọn bá rí pé wọ́n lè ṣe èmi wà nílé orúkọ mi ò dẹ̀ yí padà Joseph Aloba Olúwabámiwò tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ sí bàbá Mohbad orúkọ tí èmi ń jẹ́ nìyẹn so ìyẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká padà sórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ mo fi gbogbo wa lọ́kàn balẹ̀ wípé àti ní ẹni ní mo sùn a ò gbọdọ̀ mú kíkan ẹni tí a gbéṣẹ́ lé lọ́wọ́ ó tó gbàgbá sùn lọ́yẹ mo ṣe wà pẹ̀lú wọn láìpẹ́ tó dẹ̀ ṣèlérí fún mi pé gbogbo bó bá ṣe rí àwọn dúró láti bá mi ṣe iṣẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ikú Mohbad so èmi fi àkókò yìí mo fi ń rọ̀ wá wípé kí gbogbo ènìyàn kan fi ọkàn balẹ̀ Friday tó ń bọ̀ yìí èyí ni Tuesday Friday tó ń bọ̀ yìí ní ọjọ́ corona tí a máa pàdé àwọn tí a fìwé pè ní corona gbogbo náà láti ń fi àkókò ìran wọn létí ní fi àkókò ètò sọ fún yín pé nípa ti result pathology and toxicology kó má bàa bá wa ní òjijì àti pé kí adájọ́ kan lè mọ̀ wípé ohun tí wọ́n fún wa ní àṣẹ àti ṣe ó ti rẹ́dì a ní láti create awareness ìyẹn ni pé tí a bá pàdé ní corona a fi tó adájọ́ létí pé pathologist ń bọ̀ láti pé kó wá present result ó di Friday yẹn ká tó lè fún ní date torí tí a bá sọ pé corona open kí pathologist kó máa bọ̀ ẹni tá à ń sọ yìí kò sí ní Nàìjíríà lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ so déètì tí a bá ti pohùn pọ̀ sí ní next court after tá a bá pàdé Friday next one ni pathologist máa wá tó máa give result ohun tí wọ́n ṣe so ìyẹn jẹ́ àwọn nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo wa ká fi ọkàn balẹ̀ lé lórí meeting èmi yìí ó dàbí pé àwa ọmọ àwọn ẹbí mi wípé a fẹ́ pàdé láti ṣe meeting torí pé ẹnìkan ìjáwádé kápẹ́ńtà lèmi ṣùgbọ́n ọlọ́run òwò ti kápẹ́ńtà yẹn ó wá mú mi sí àárín àwọn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tí Ọlọ́run ti dá lọ́lá. So tí bá wá wẹ̀yìn tí mo rí àwọn èèyàn lẹ́yìn mi, inú mi á dùn, ara mi á máa yá, torí pé Ọlọ́run ò fi mí sílẹ̀, ó lo àwọn ènìyàn fún mi. So èmi wá gbà pé mo wà láàárín àwọn fámìlì mi yẹn láti sọ̀rọ̀ tí mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ gbọ́ tiwọn. Ohun tí wọ́n bá ní lọ́kàn tó lè jẹ́ bí ìdùnnú àbí ohun tó ń bá wọn lọ́kàn jẹ́ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí, ohun tí ẹ̀mí Ọlọ́run sọ fún mi ni wípé kí n ṣe gírí, kí n mú àyàlé gẹ́gẹ́ bí ohun tó fọ̀ fún Joshua. Mósè ìránṣẹ́ mi ti lọ, ìwọ ṣe gírí, mú àyàlé. A wá ń fi àṣẹ fún Joshua. Ohun tí mo ṣe fún Mósè tó jọ ẹ́ lójú, màá ṣe jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Nígbà yẹn Joshua, thank God, a ṣì wà ní February. Àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ kan ṣẹlẹ̀ ní February ní àkókò yẹn. Àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ náà ni wípé a dá ọjọ́ dúró nítorí akọni ọkùnrin yẹn tí wọ́n pè ní Joshua. A dá ọjọ́ dúró, oòrùn náà fún odidi ọjọ́ méjì. Àwọn ìdí rèé tí oṣù February tí ò fi pé. Nínú oṣù yìí ni àṣẹ jáde tí oòrùn dúró nítorí Joshua. Ẹ̀mí Ọlọ́run wá ń sọ fún mi wípé kí n jẹ́ kí gbogbo yín mọ̀ wípé tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ ní àkókò yẹn, a máa gba ìdájọ́. Oṣù tí a bá Joshua sọ̀rọ̀ ní oòrùn kó dúró tí ò ṣẹlẹ̀ rí, àṣẹ kan dẹ̀ jáde tó bá lè rí. Ó tún ṣẹlẹ̀ ní àkókò yìí tí àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tí ó ṣẹ̀tẹ́ fi mọ̀ wípé Ọlọ́run jọba. Ó ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ayé ẹnì kankan wa, bet mo fẹ́ ká ṣọ́ ká mọ ohun tó wà lọ́kàn oníkúlùkù wọn. Mo sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan, ó lè dàbí ìbínú, ṣùgbọ́n mo fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ wípé ẹ má jẹ́ kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ díẹ̀ nínú ẹ̀. Mo ní ọ̀rọ̀ kú òwe dẹ̀ lọ́rọ̀ Jésù. Ẹni kẹ́rù òdodo pẹ̀lú inú, ó máa padà di owó fún. Kò sóhun tó burú bí èmi náà ṣe tán TikTok lẹ́sìn. Àwọn olólùfẹ́ mi mọ̀ pé ó yẹ kí a ṣe nǹkan fún bàbá yìí. Ní bá paná sí àárí àwọn change kankan. Mi ò lè gbé dànù. Likewise you, ìwọ náà ṣáná sí kámẹ́rà. Ohun tó bá wọlé sí ẹ lọ́wọ́ á jẹ́ àjẹmọ́nú fún ẹ. Condition wa rè. Ó léwu. Ṣé pé tí kò bá gbóná, a máa dún, ṣùgbọ́n tó bá tó àkókò kan á dákẹ́, kò ní sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́. Anything tó bá kọjá nínú epo yẹn á sọ fún ẹ pé ṣọ́ra mama ọ̀nkú ṣọ́ra lórí ọ̀rọ̀ kú Mohbad tó bá mọ òtítọ́ má ṣe parọ́ fún yàn kí ohun tó wà ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ó lè jí àjẹmọ́nú fún ẹ ṣùgbọ́n o mọ òtítọ́ ọ̀ ẹni tí ò mọ òtítọ́ tó ń sọ tiẹ̀ ọ̀tọ̀ ni wọ́n ṣùgbọ́n ẹjọ́ tó bá ti mọ òtítọ́ tó lẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣọ́ra ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad òwe ni ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad kì í ṣe ohun tí èèyàn fi ń ṣeré ohun tó ń polóko lẹ́kún tí àparò bá débẹ̀ ẹ̀rín ni ó máa rín so mo fẹ́ ká ṣọ́ra wa ní gbogbo ọ̀nà ká má bàa fún nǹkan míì tí ò ń ṣe tiwa mọ́ra mo sọ̀rọ̀ ní ìgbà tí mo máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń ṣe live fáwọn èèyàn pé ìdá olójú méjì ní ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad ṣọ́ra kó má bàa kọsẹ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ kó Mohbad mo fẹ́ kó mọ̀ wípé ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí kò ń ṣe lásán ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí Ọlọ́run ló wà lójúṣe o so in anything mo ti kọ́ rí nígbà kan gbogbo iṣẹ́ wa tí a ṣe gbogbo ìwà tí a ń wù gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ wa tí a sọ ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ṣọ́ra nítorí Olúwa yóò mú gbogbo iṣẹ́ wa sí dájọ́ àti gbogbo ìkọ̀ọ̀kan ire tàbí ibi. So gbogbo tí a ń ṣe mostly lórí ọ̀rọ̀ kú Mohbad a máa mú wá sí ìdájọ́. Mo gbàdúrà fún yín pé o ò ní jẹ̀bi o. So lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí mo gbà wípé mo wà láàárín àwọn ẹbí mi tí adẹ̀jọ́ fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ní àsọyé. Mo fi àkókò yìí pé Honourable Ich kí wọ́n súnmọ́ tòsí Mr. ẹnìkan jẹ́ àwádé ẹ jọ̀wọ́ first day Honourable Ich. Honourable Ich.
No, really.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. You're welcome.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I call sir.
You're probably.
Yes, sir.
I didn't know. Maybe you start with me. I don't know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was here. No problem, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
I will need your interpretation.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Thank you so much once again for joining us today with Papa Mohbad. And I want to appreciate everybody in the comment section. Thank you for standing and for tapping. This is for those who do not understand Yoruba. I will be interpreting some of the things, or I will be summarizing in English some of the things that Baba just said. He just came out. You will know it's unlike him. If he wants to come out, he comes out every weekend. But because of necessity, he needs to come out to the house to come and explain one or two things to everybody. Likewise, also, let me welcome Mr. Muiwa and welcome everybody in the comment section. Lady J, thank you so much for pushing for the petition. Thank you so much. Yeah, he started by appreciating everybody by saying a big thank you to everybody. But before I go into the body of what Baba said today, the main reason why Baba is out today is so every one of us will be able to calm our spirits. We'll be able to calm our spirit. Ladies and gentlemen, I will also crave that you all mind the kind of comments you drop in the comment section, because any negative comments will not be tolerated. Please mind the kind of comments you drop in the comment section. Please mind the kind of comments that you drop in the comment section. Thank you so much. So Baba started by appreciating everybody, by saying a big thank you to everybody standing genuinely for the cause of justice for Mohbad. It has not been an easy journey. It's a journey. It's a very tough one, but he's appreciating everybody. And he sees he's coming out today. He sees it as an avenue to talk with his family member, because he's seeing everybody here today. Everybody that is standing for the cause of justice for Mohbad is seeing everybody as a member of his family, a member of his family that he can rely on, a member of his family that he can look on to for anything, no matter the situation. A kind of a member of his family that whenever there is any situation, he can call on anybody. And he went ahead to say that seeing people behind him is the work of God. Is God that actually brought everybody to come and support him, not because he knew everybody or he knows somebody from somewhere, but because God actually brought everybody here. Then he went ahead into the book of Joshua. When God was talking to Joshua, that was when Moses left, and God was telling Joshua that Joshua should hold on and should be strong, that what he did with Moses is going to do more than that with Joshua, that he should hold on and he should be strong, he should encourage himself, and he should not give up. That is the message that Papa is passing to every one of us, that despite the situation that is happening, that is going on in justice for Mohbad, we need to be strong, we need to encourage ourselves, and that's the reason why he actually needed to come out today, to come and encourage everybody, so that our spirit will be calm and we'll be able to think and look ahead for the brighter day that is not far from now. Then he went ahead, he said, on the case of those that you know from the news today, you have, some of you have seen the news on the channels television talking about Sam Larry, Naira Marley, Prime Boy, and one other person, that they were vindicated. Baba said categorically, he said those that despite the fact that the news came out, he wants to assure everybody that investigation is ongoing. And he said also that though the news came out that Sam Larry, Naira Marley, and Prime Boy, they've been vindicated, he said those people that were mentioned are not those that live with Mohbad in his house. Those people are outsiders. They are not, part of those that are living with Mohbad in his house. Therefore, everybody should be rest assured that investigation is going on. As it's warrant, that we should not give up. Those that were vindicated, talking about Sam Larry, Naira Marley, Prime Boy, they are not living with Mohbad, so investigation is still ongoing. So also this coming Friday, 28th of February 2025, the inquest is going to open once again. You all know that for some couple of time now the inquest has been on hold, but just of recent we got the news that the inquest this coming Friday, the inquest will be open again, and yes, Sam Shitu is going to be present in the Corona inquest. Is going to be present in the cause. And also, Baba spoke about his former lawyer. You all know his former lawyer. He said he's going to be, for the sake of, for record purpose, he is going to be posting all the letters that he wrote to terminate the appointment of the barrister as one of his legal team, that is going to be posting the letter that he wrote to the barrister, and his reply to, the barrister's reply to Baba, that he's going to be posting everything after the live stream today. All that happened, he's going to post all the letters to on his page so that everybody will see. And before I go ahead also, need I say this at this junction, that Baba Mohbad earlier on his page posted that contrary to the saying that is going up and down, that he gave terms and condition concerning the issue that is going on. Baba Mohbad said he has not, in that statement, he said he did not give any condition concerning that particular matter, and he did not approve or employ anyone to sign any documents on his behalf concerning that matter. So he also said, coming back to what Baba said today now, he also said that San Shittu tried to intervene by looking for how the barrister and Baba, will work together. But Baba said categorically that concerning the current situation, I am not going to be able to work with the barrister. The appointment has been terminated, and it has been terminated. So it is only San Wahab Shittu that is going to be heading everything. That is heading everything as far as the justice for Mohbad is concerned. So basically, Baba said San Shittu is standing strong and is ready to work. And he has been assured by San Shittu that he is going to do everything possible to help get justice for Mohbad. Also, Baba went ahead and said, let every one of us, let us be calm. Do not let us, be depressed concerning this situation. Do not let us be worried. Let us be calm. That whatever it is that is happening right now, it is the work of God. It is God in action. It might look rough, but then God is still at work as far as justice of Mohbad is concerned. Also, he said by the time the coroner inquest opens, the pathologist cannot come immediately, so the magistrate will give a date when the pathologist will come and read the result of the. Please, other moderators, please, other moderators, if you are here, please kindly mute or block any account. Other moderators, please, if you are here, kindly mute or block any account that is typing negative